What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifter Thinks to Intimidate Police Fails Miserably Instead." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one. Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Today on Uncovered.
Don't run. Get on the ground. Knock it off. You want to fight?
Watch this shoplifter try to play the victim card and fail miserably when he realizes he's going to jail.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Hi. What's going on? Can you stop for me for a second?
Identify yourself.
I'm Officer Arnold with the Ewing Police Department. Hi, how are you?
Yes.
You good? Were you just over at ShopRite?
No.
235 here.
No?
No, I was right there, Wendy's.
No, before that.
No, Wendy's.
Before that?
No.
What do you have in your bag for me?
I just have my hat, some meats I just got, that's all.
Do you have a receipt for them?
No, I actually just came from my family's house. This is actually for Thanksgiving.
Did you take it from ShopRite?
No, I didn't. I got it from my family.
You got it from your family?
Yeah, it's from me and my girlfriend.
Okay. Give me one. Can you have a seat right here for me? What is your name for me?
I have somewhere to go.
Well, you can't leave just yet because apparently they think you shoplifted at ShopRite. So until we get the incident cleared up.
Can they just have this stuff then? I don't care.
Well, that's what we can see, okay? Hold on, give me 1 second.
Go.
Give me 1 second.
The suspect seems more than willing to give up the items if the officer lets him go, which would be odd if they were really his. It's clear that both of them know he's guilty now.
I really have to go.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Please, it's gonna be a Thanksgiving.
I hear you. I'm trying to help you out too, okay? I promise. You work with me, I'll work with you, okay?
That's what I'm doing. That's what I have to.
Listen, you gonna spend your Thanksgiving in jail, man. I get it. It sucks because it's a tough time of the year. You know, some families don't have a lot, but right is right and wrong is wrong, man. There's plenty of like rescue missions and different like spots where you can get like turkeys. They handing out turkeys. You could get canned goods and stuff like that. Like, no excuse, man.
Go. If they want that, let them have it. You know.
I have him at the Dollar Tree, but he is still trying to leave. Wait 1 second for me. Wait 1 second. I hear you.
All right, then they have the stuff that they want,
well,
please.
that's what we can figure out, but I need you to wait for me.
I have to go.
I need you to wait for me. Listen, if you cooperate with me, we can probably let you go.
No, I can't.
But you gotta stop walking away. You gotta stop walking away. I don't want to put you in cuffs. I'm trying to help you out, okay? Don't walk away yet for me. You don't have to sit down. We have to stay here, okay?
That's what that cigarette?
No, that's you want to smoke somebody else's cigarette?
At least, if you're gonna take me to jail or something.
We're trying not to do that. We're trying not to do that. I don't want to do that. So just be honest with me and help me out, and I'll help you out. Okay? Okay, that's it. Wait, is this all you took?
Yes, it is. Look, nothing else.
Okay.
Upon realizing that he's not leaving anytime soon, the suspect admits to shoplifting the items.
All right, let me just see what the store wants to do. It's that simple, okay?
No,
it's that simple. No, they might not. They might not. It's okay. Relax. It's okay, okay? I promise. It's okay. Give me a second, okay?
Please,
we're gonna figure it out.
I can't go to jail.
What is your name for me? If you give me your okay, I hear you.
Please.
If you give me your proper name and all your information, I can help you.
Well, can we go?
No.
Can we do?
Relax. You gotta relax. I'm trying to help you out. I don't want to take you to jail either. Okay? I promise. I'm trying to help you out. What is your name for me? You give me a good name and information. I can help you out.
Can I please go?
What is your date of birth for me?
You can send me a ticket. I don't care.
I don't want to do that either.
I'll pay the ticket.
I don't want to do that either. What is your date of birth for me?
Please.
What is your date of birth for me? I'm trying to help you out. I promise. Look. Now that my partner's here, I can go talk to the store, okay? I'm trying to help you out. You have a seat for me, okay? Just what is your date of birth? And then I'm going to go talk to the store and see what we can do with you. I got the stuff back. If you stay with him, I'm going to go see what the store wants to do.
Okay.
All right? Yep. Listen, he's just going to, I'm going to go talk to them for you, okay? Cooperate with him, and we'll try to get you out of here, all right?
The officer heads to the store to ask the manager how he would like to proceed with the suspect. While there, the manager points out another shoplifter for the deputy to apprehend.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
There's another shoplifter walking out right here.
Which one?
This guy right here.
This one?
Yep.
Excuse me, sir. Hi. Can you stop for me 1 second?
What's going on, boss? Going back inside.
The deputy calls for backup now that there are 2 suspects to deal with. She stays at the store until they arrive and radios that the manager would like to press charges on the first suspect.
Before we deal with him.
Gotcha. What's up? No, thank you. I forgot.
That one.
And he walked out with all that too. I recovered that, but he wouldn't stop. I'm not talking to you, bro. Sit down and relax.
What do you want to do with that?
I'm gonna press charges on him.
Yeah?
I just need to get a total. Yeah,
Okay.
It's gonna be a lot. So.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be at a chopper, and can you open me up another shoplifting incident? So, because he took meat and a whole bunch of other stuff that he dropped in the store.
See, the holidays is crazy time, man. And they think that by going to like a Family Dollar or something, they would think that, you know, their security systems is a little less like adequate to deal with the situations. But like, yo, they catching them left and right. And it just so happens that the cop is already there. That's crazy. That's just, boy, oh boy, man. What's the chances of that? You dealing with one shoplifter and the other one is just walking right out, completely not even related to each other, nothing, just completely different incidences. But boy, oh boy.
They want to press charges, and I do believe he has an active 29.
As the officers move in to arrest him, he decides to make one last stupid decision for the day.
Oh, he out.
Nope.
Oh, they about to get him right. Oh, hold on. DDT.
The
Oh,
unit, we're fighting.
oh.
Ground.
Hold on, boy. Oh. WWF right now.
Units at Dollar Tree now.
Come on, man.
Bro, stop fighting.
Bleeding. Sorry. Wait. Stop. All right. He's bleeding. Stop. Stop. I'm getting recovering.
Lay on the ground.
Okay. Let me turn around.
Get the off the rocks. Get your hands off the rocks now.
No, man. I'm sorry, okay? I mean,
It's too late for that.
I tried to run. That's all. Just erase. I apologize, man. I apologize. I never meant to draw blood of you.
Apology don't help, my brother. You're done. You're going to jail. And now you going to jail, you going to get extra charges, resisting or whatever the case may be. But that was a piss poor job of running, man.
I said I apologize, man. Come on.
Too late for that, man.
I just went dragging away, man. Damn. I'm sorry.
I don't know. What's in your pockets? You got anything that's gonna stick me?
Yeah, it's so stupid, sir.
You're getting charged with that too.
You really want
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
No, hold on. Yo, you really
You already did it. You already did it. You started. Knock it off.
You want to fight? You want to fight?
Wait, what? Bitch, your
Let me
handcuffs.
Let me take off your bed. Let's fight. Me and you. Come on, man.
Knock it off.
Bro, chill. All right, listen.
Man, he's been
Anybody get in over there?
Come on, man. Let's fight.
Portal and 171.
Yeah, I gotta put a belt on you, bro.
Come on.
I'm putting a seatbelt on you.
Shane followed me.
Hey, who y'all think y'all winning? Who y'all think winning in a squabble? You hear? If they took the cuffs off and get it on, who winning, man? Who's winning? Like, that's crazy. He's like, yo, take the cuffs off me. Oh boy. Oh. He ready to squabble. He think he could take the cop, man. Hey, and just because you a cop don't mean you can fight, man. You know what I'm saying? There's a difference when you grappling and stuff like that than actually, you know, one-on-one, like who really gonna get it down. You know what I mean? There's a difference. So I don't know. Can't underestimate no man.
Come on, man.
Yo, it's done. Relax.
Show 241.
About it.
Relax.
Huh? It's been a dick. Shit. One shit. All I need. I'll put you clean. 30 seconds. You want me a dick? You want me a f***ing dick? I can show you a dick. It's not gonna f***ing stick. It's not sharp, you damn idiot. I want one shot at you, dude. I'll put you flat. 30 seconds. Swear it. Man. What the f***? I'm sorry about that, man. There's nothing even to happen to him. Anybody should be roughing me up, it's him. No cop.
Can you tell a Rick to headquarters to evaluate 234? He's on the last race.
Oh, I can't wait to see him face to face again. Oh, my head, but I'm breaking this nose.
The suspect was arrested for retail theft, attempt to flee from an officer, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this video...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit, that get a nigga lean.